Jai Hind guys, today we will discuss important current affairs of 25 September. In this video, we will cover some current affair facts, MCQ and static GK. Which is important for your upcoming examination? Let's start. India's first rocket 3D printing facility has been launched by. So, India's first rocket 3D printing facility has been launched by Agnikul Cosmos. So, it will launch in Tamil Nadu. So it will prepare 3D structure or parts of rocket. So India's first rocket 3D printing will be launched in Tamil Nadu, Chennai by Agnikul Cosmos. Kiran Desai shortlisted for the Booker Prize for the book Loneliness of Sonia and Sunny. So Kiran Desai has been shortlisted for the Booker Prize for the Loneliness of the Sonia and Sunny. 1,000 crore of LEAP program to boost innovation. 1,000 crore of LEAP program to boost innovation to be inaugurated in Karnataka. Himanshi Tokas, the first Indian player to reach world number ones in first junior ranking. So Himanshi Tokas became the first player of India to become the number one in junior ranking all over the world. So Himanshi Tokas belongs to Delhi. Under the 63 kg, she participated. So she is related to judo. India signed 125 million loan agreement to upgrade infrastructure in Assam with which institution? So India signed 125 million loan agreement to upgrade infrastructure in Assam with which institution? So it is agreement with Asian Development Bank. So India signed agreement with Asian Development Bank for upgrade in infrastructure in Assam. So it will handle the climate resilient water supply system, drainage system, storm water management system. So these are the main reason for this agreement. So if we talk about Asian Development Bank, it is established on 19 December 1966. Its headquartered in Manila, Philippines. Its total country is 69. Its current president is Masato Kanda from Japan. So India signed 125 million loan agreement to upgrade the infrastructure in Assam with Asian Development Bank. Oju Hydropower Project to be launched in Arunachal Pradesh. So Oju Hydro Project will be launched in Arunachal Pradesh in the river Subansiri River. Its capacity is 2,220 megawatt. Next, which three African country has decided to withdraw from International Criminal Court? So this became Burkina Faso, Mali and Niger. So three countries have decided to withdraw from International Criminal Court. So if we talk about International Criminal Court, its headquarters in Netherlands, Hague, established on 1 July 2002. Members 125. Total members. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Science City inaugurated in Bihar. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Science City will inaugurate in Bihar. Now guys, moving to some current affair MCQ. Which campaign was launched in Maharashtra on 25 September 2025 to promote self-reliance and local empowerment? That is Atmanirbhar Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan. Which goddess is worshipped on day 4 of Navratri? That is Kushmanda. Which of the following events action was reported on 25 September 2025 regarding Ladakh protest? That is shutdown called by KDA in support of protester. Which state BJP president launched the Atmanirbhar Bharat Sankalp Abhiyan on 25 September? That is Maharashtra. On 25 September 2025, what special invitation did PM Modi extend as a part of school assembly style headline? That is PM Mementos e-auction 2025. Hydroelectric power project. Now guys, moving to some static GK, today we will talk about major hydroelectric power projects of India. So Let's start. Bhakra Nangal project is located in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. It is located on Satluj River, one of the highest gravity dam in the world. Tari Dam, Uttarakhand, on Bhagirathi River, tallest dam in India, that is 260.5 meter. Sardar Sarovar project in Gujarat on Narmada River provides irrigation power and drinking water. Hirakund Dam in Odisha on Mahanadi River, longest earthen dam in the world, Hirakund Dam. Nagarjun Sagar project on Krishna River, one of the world's largest dam. Idukki Hydro project located in Kerala on Periyar River, famous for Arc Dam. Koina Hydro project located in Maharashtra on Koina River, called the lifeline of Maharashtra. Rihand project located in Uttar Pradesh on Rihand River, tributary of Son, also called Govind Ballabh Pant. So Rihand, also known as Govind Ballabh Pant, on the river Rihand, tributary of Son in Uttar Pradesh. Sri Shailam, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana on Krishna River, India's second largest capacity hydro project. Salal project, Jammu and Kashmir on the Chenab River, the first major hydro power station of Jammu and Kashmir. Dulhasti project, Jammu and Kashmir on Chenab River, strategically important for northern grid. Chamira project, Himachal Pradesh on the river Ravi, three-stage project. Kunda project, Tamil Nadu on Kunda River, Nilgiri, largest hydro project of South India. Kunda project in Tamil Nadu. Sharavati project in Karnataka. Sharavati project, famous for Jog Fall Hydro Station. Kali Nadi project, Karnataka on Kali River, eco-sensitive Western Ghats project. Ranjit project in Sikkim on Ranjit River on Tista tributary. Subansiri Lower project, Arunachal Pradesh in Assam on Subansiri River, India's largest under construction hydro project. Karcham Wangtu project in Himachal Pradesh on Satluj River in Kinnaur district. Loktak project in Manipur on Loktak Lake, first multipurpose project in northeast India. Doyang Hydro Power Project located in Nagaland on Doyang River supplies power to northeast states. So Doyang Hydropower project in Nagaland. So guys, we have completed important current affair facts, MCQ and static GK. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and please support the channel. Thank you for watching and please take care.